Hey folks, I am here today to teach you how to DVC. Hey there folks, welcome back to The Magic in the Music. I'm Jen. Today I am going to be walking you through the process of canceling a Disney Vacation Club reservation using the DVC website. It's never fun to have to cancel a Disney Vacation Club reservation, and unfortunately, the one we're going to cancel today was a really, really good one. So I might shed a tear or two when we say goodbye to this reservation. You will see why in just a moment. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to disneyvacationclub.com. It's .go.com. So we're going to go to that. And hopefully you already have your Disney Vacation Club account set up. If you do not, you'll need to obviously take care of that first. But I doubt you'd be canceling a reservation if you didn't already have an account set up. So we're going to click the button to log in or create account. So here you can see I've had my browser save my login information, so I'll sign in. So as you can see, our upcoming reservation was for the villas at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. Yes, we had a studio booked at Grand Californian for late January of 2021, and I was so excited to get to use this reservation. But it's not going to happen because currently Grand Californian does not even have a reopening date, let alone Disneyland. Disneyland doesn't have a reopening date either. So let's go to our dashboard. I'm going to go to this button here that says My DVC. And I like to look at everything on my dashboard. So that's right here. Click on that. So here we are on our dashboard. You can see that we have a lot of different things we can manage here. On our dashboard, we have all of our different points that are available. We can take some links to notifications, loans, dues, add member ID, profile, and condo notices. So we're going to move down to this section that says My Vacation Plans. And here we can see we've got this Grand Californian reservation coming up on January 28th, and it's obviously not going to happen. So I hit the arrow, the little triangle, and it's going to give me more details about the reservation, including the cost in points of the reservation and some other details that obviously I'll be blurring out because they are personal information. So in order to cancel this reservation, what I'm going to do is click View or Modify Details. So here's our reservation, and we can see all the details, the points, the check-in, check-out date, and the guest information. So I'm going to scroll down. And you'll come to this section that says Need to Cancel. All vacation points used to make the reservation will be returned to your account in the use year in which the reservation falls. So for us, we have an October use year, so we are in the 2020 use year right now. So we're going to go ahead and click Cancel Reservation. Gives me some details, gives me the reservation number, and then here I'm going to scroll down. And we have the full terms and conditions, which of course you'll want to look at. It's important that you pay attention to canceling things that are inside of 30 days. You can see that there are some certain rules and things you'll want to look at. In this particular situation, we are still outside of 30 days from the check-in date, so it doesn't matter. And quite frankly, this resort is not open right now, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and click I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Here you can change your mind last minute and keep it, or you can go ahead and cancel it. And oh, this is painful, but goodbye, Grand Californian. Maybe later. We have stayed there before in a studio, so I'm confident we'll get one again, but goodbye. Okay, so here my reservation is canceled. It gives me my confirmation, what the room was, the dates, and the points that are now being restored back into my account. So I'm going to click Go to Dashboard. So I can see that the points have been restored into my current use year. That's great. So there you have it, folks. That is how you modify a reservation. I hope this has been helpful to you in your Disney Vacation Club planning and learning how to get comfortable navigating the website. It can be frustrating at times because it's a little bit unreliable and sometimes the website is down. And sometimes it's down when you really need it to be working. So that can be a bit frustrating. But as you use the website more, you'll become more comfortable with it and kind of get to know the ins and outs of the website. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please make sure you like the video. Maybe give us a comment. Tell us what you're planning on booking. Tell us what's coming up for you on your next Disney Vacation Club stay. Tell us your countdown until your next stay at Disney. That's it from the magic in the music. I hope this has helped you today to learn how to DVC. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful stay on your next DVC trip. And remember, there's magic in the music. Bye, everybody. Looking for more Disney, music, DVC, or family fun? Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.